Here's a 2020 Chrysler 300S all-wheel drive sedan at Unique Specialty and Classics. Just a little over 65,000 actual miles on this one. Bright white clear coat, black leather interior, 3.6 liter VVT engine underneath the hood. That is paired up with a TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic. Go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. Paint on this one, nice shape. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, undersides, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on the 19-inch black noise painted wheels with Michelin rubber. Of course, your monitor amenities underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. If you want to check out the still pictures, again, uniqueclassiccars.com. In with those still pictures, there'll also be a picture of the window sticker. So there's a copy of the window sticker that you can see exactly how this car is equipped. I'll hit on some of the things. It does have the 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot option, stability control system, heated front seats, the premium Alpine stereo system, Bluetooth voice command, Uconnect 4C nav with the 8.4-inch display, and then of course your steering wheel controls your heated front seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Again, all the modern amenities. Very nicely equipped car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And by walking around it, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yeah, you may find an imperfection that here or there. It's got a little over 65,000 miles on it, but overall, it's very well cared for and taken care of car. So we're going to take a peek in the back seat so you can see the condition of the leather. Nice roomy sedans and leather also in very nice shape. Gas door release is down right there in the cubby. Of course, there's your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Does have the tilt and telescopic wheel. So power seat. Front seats are heated. And again, leather, and then the S model. I believe these were close to 41,000 new. I'm going to go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. There's your exact miles too, at 65,235 it is. Dash and everything in nice shape. Of course, your Sirius XM stereo option, AM, FM. Electronic climate control, dual climate control. Very quiet in the cabin of this vehicle when the car is running. And again, just take a look at those seats. Really not much wear at all on that leather. And have a little headliner and everything, good condition. Really no surprises on this one from what I've seen walking around. It slipped around at the back. Sounds as you'd expect. Again, that 3.6 liter VVT engine, TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop this hood, check out that engine bay, wrap up this video. Underside of the hood, hood liner, nice and clean. Doesn't appear that this thing's really been driven in much for inclement weather, judging by the cleanliness of it. Smooth running, again what you'd expect. And for the exact options, a copy of that window sticker is in with the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below the video in the description. If you're seeing this on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2020 Chrysler 300. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. This car has 65,000 miles on it. Feels pretty much like new. We've got paddle shift capability. Currently has Sirius radio, and the sound quality is great in this car. It's a quiet ride, it's a smooth ride, just as you'd expect. The corner's great. The illumination is currently blue. Everything I've checked works on this car. Just a great runner. Used for daily commuting or to have fun. Let's get a little acceleration here. Lots of power. Not overly noisy. Sounds like stock exhaust to me. Very fun car. Got on steering wheel controls, push button start. Check it out on our website or in our showroom.